Okay, this is Whiskey Alpha 7 Alpha X-Ray Tango. We've got the little QRP rig working. There's something going on here at 3670. Not sure what it is. That might be a contest. The band is in terrible shape, but I thought I'd do this video now. There's some. And the crackling noise you're hearing is not the audio in the QCX rig. It's my phone and lousy acoustics in here. The audio is quite nice. I'm using an amplifier too. Anyway, that's the QCX. It's a 40-meter model. It's relatively easy to put together. I wouldn't recommend it for someone who has no experience. Wow. Oh boy. It must be a next door neighbor. Wow. Okay. Probably should get on the air with the thing. It's all hooked up and ready to go. I'm not going to transmit here. It's busy, but anyway, that's the QCX. I would highly recommend it to anybody who's CW op and likes to do portable work. It's a fantastic little rig. This is Whiskey Alpha 7 Alpha X-Ray Tango 73.